Does anybody out there have the GoPro Hero camera? Well, sometimes the little mount thing that mounts it to a tripod breaks off. Well, I'm gonna show you today how to fix that. So here's what we got going on. We bought this camera probably in 2016, maybe, yeah, probably 2016 we probably bought this. And it's the original Hero, right? And so I've already done a modification of this thing since then, but the little mount piece right here broke off probably 2 years ago. GoPro will not replace it just because it's not part of the actual camera. That camera doesn't come out. It's all in the waterproof housing, but they will not replace it because of that. So we have to come up with a modification for it. And I've watched some videos and really helped me. I've actually replaced it once and I put a different one on there, as you can see. But this past summer, while I was at the beach using the sand scoop, it broke again. So I had to go and find me another piece. Now this one has a little bolt on the end there, so I'm going to take that off and I'm going to mount this on there. Let's see how long this lasts. But anyway, I got this vise. I'm going to cut off the bolt, and then I got this baby right here, this little grinder baby, and kind of grind it back a little bit and then make sure everything's all square. And then I'm going to have to grind that off as well. I'll use a different tool for that, and then we'll see if we can get them things glued together so we can use this GoPro this spring and summer with our diving equipment. Bam. Hey y'all, what is it every time we do videos in our garage that we just have a bunch of crap laying everywhere? I do, y'all. My garage is a mess, but I'm gonna clean it up. It's not pertinent like it has to be done today, but I'm gonna clean it. But all right, we're gonna run this grinder right here, and I'm using gloves. And gonna run this grinder, and I'm gonna try to hang on to this thing. Look, this is all modification now. This ain't no, GoPro ain't gonna send you one to replace it. So you kind of have to modify it on your own. So you got to figure the best way to do this without getting hurt. Anyway, we're gonna do this now. You ready? All right, everybody. So here's my little piece right here. And I use this little machine here to shave her down pretty good there. See that? And then I use this file. Use this here file right here to, no, the lighting's bad, I'm sorry. But I shaved down where the old one was at. It's pretty flat. But I'm gonna glue it together. But look, that's where it's gonna go in its replacement of the old one. So I'll get this on here, make sure it's straight as I can. I'm probably going to use some super glue. I know, probably dumb, shouldn't do that. Probably should use something stronger. But I'm also going to tether this thing to stay on my goggles, so that way if it does come off, then I won't lose it. So, I mean, the furthest I'm going down anyway is 10, 11 feet, 12 feet anyway. Well, head level, 10 feet. So, I mean, my hands and stuff will be at 11, 12 feet, Anyway, let me glue this thing on, glue it together, and then we'll go from there. Oh, yeah, I'm going to take this thing off the back, too. Probably going to use this here grinder here to work it off. I might use a saw. We'll see. All right, so here's my super glue. This is that gel stuff. So let me double check, see how the best way I want to put it on. Do I want to put it on this way? That's pretty straight that way. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do it that way. Right there. Yep, we'll put it on that way right there. All right, so I'm gonna do that. Put this stuff down. But it says hold it for 15 seconds. I'm holding it right where I want it. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5. All right, so anyway, today I'm using my phone for my camera work. And I normally use, I have 2 DJI Osmos. And I use those normally. But my underwater footage, I'm gonna be honest with you, GoPro, man, their underwater footage is better than the DJI. I've used both, so that's why I wanted to get this one up and running so I could use it again. But it seemed like it did work. I put a little bit of extra glue on the outside there, tighten that baby up some more. Again, if I have some issues with it, then, you know, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But, and you know, I'll make sure that I tether it somehow, so put some way to tether this thing so I don't lose it. But anyway, I know this wasn't a digging video, but sometimes you got to repair your gear, and today was repairing a camera. So again, the GoPros and the DJIs, the new ones, they don't have that, you know, all built into one, you know, your waterproof housing and the camera. But the original GoPro Hero and the Hero Plus was built like this. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you learned something, that'd be great. Hope you have a good day. God bless. We'll see you next time. And always remember to treat other people how you want to be treated.